Today we have this 1960s or 70s Smith-Corona Cougar vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Not sure on the exact year on this one because on the database it doesn't list the Cougar, and the serial number is different on the Cougar than it is on the Corsair. So judging by the Corsair, which is about the same model as these, it's a 60s or 70s. There's this top lid that just sits right on it, and you can carry it nice and compact. It just pops right off like that. It has a paper tray that flips up from the back, and these are your margins, and you just push them down and over like that, and they're already set to where I want them. So I'm going to keep them right there. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin with the line space. Get you back to the beginning. It skips 1 or 2. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip this switch down right there. There's a 1 and a 2 to let you know which one you're on. Skips 2 when you switch it down to 2. That works good. We're going to keep it on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line in red. To switch from black to red, you just flip that up to the red dot there. Very nice typing machine, very popular. Print is really nice too. The color and the compactness of this typewriter, the ease of use makes it very popular. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip this switch back right there. Unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the paper out easy, or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock, or multiple pages at once. And flip that back down. Got a backspace here on the right side. That works good. A shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, you just hit the shift button again. This is your touch control, low, medium, and high. Right now we have it on low, but if you go to high, there's more tension on the keys, so you have to hit the keys a little harder, but they respond a little faster. We're going to keep that on low. I like it on low on this model. And pop the top off here, and your spools are right here. All the brand new ribbons loaded on the left side, so we have it pulling to the right in a clockwise direction. And if you want to switch that, there's a switch right here. You flip that to the left, it'll pull to the left counterclockwise. That works good. We're going to keep it pulling to the right. And put this back on. There's 2 springs back here that this just kind of clasps onto. You can feel that. There's a carriage release on one side, only on the right side here, and allows you to control the carriage freely. And there's a little lever right here. If you push that down, it disables the spacing. When you push it back up, it has a click on it. Each one of those clicks is a space. That works good. As a tab function, all the tabs are preset, so it stops at a certain amount of spaces each time you hit it. That works good. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.